the kind with the straw. You hear me? Don't do it anymore. Ever. Or these glasses are going in garbage. It don't make sense. I'm not clean, especially if y'all leave them sitting on the counter.
What'd the cat do to you? What'd it do? What'd it do? Did Chi-Chi? Cat do Chi-Chi on you? Go talk to the kitty cat. Kitty! Oh, you're kissing the kitty cat. Ooh, he's kissing the kitty cat.
He is not kissing.
He is too.
Oh.
Chi-Chi. Then he says it's Chi-Chi on his hand.
Don't be kissing that old Chi-Chi cat.
Go wash your hands. Go.
Look at him.
Go wash your hands, boy. JJ. Go wash your hands. Don't kiss. Kitty cat's gone. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, kitty.